Ticks. A tick is a small arachnid that belongs to the same class as spiders and mites. Ticks are external parasites that feed on the blood of mammals and birds. They have specialized mouthparts designed for piercing the skin and sucking blood, including a barbed structure that helps them stay attached to their host. Ticks pass through 4 stages in their life cycle, namely, the egg, the larva with 6 legs, a nymph with 8 legs, the adult with 8 legs. The entire tick life cycle can last up to 3 years. Ticks cannot jump or fly. Instead, they climb vegetation and wait for a host to come into contact with them. Then they attach themselves and begin feeding. During each stage, except for the egg, ticks feed on a host before molting to the next stage. Different species of ticks need different number of hosts to complete their life cycle. Consequently, there are one-host ticks, 2-host ticks, and 3-host ticks. Examples of one-host ticks: cattle tick, blue tick, Texas fever tick, tropical horse tick. Examples of 2-host ticks: brown ear tick, red-legged tick, African bont-legged tick, large bont-legged tick, Asian blue tick, Mediterranean tick. Examples of 3-host ticks: tropical bont tick, East African bont tick, Gulf Coast tick, brown ear tick, brown dog tick that primarily infests dogs indoors and is found globally. Yellow dog tick, fowl tick, black-legged tick, common in North America, known for transmitting Lyme disease. American dog tick, Lone Star tick, harmful effects of ticks. transmit diseases like East Coast fever, Lyme disease, anaplasmosis, and babesiosis, cause blood loss, skin irritation, itching and scratching. Animals frequently rub against fences, posts, or trees due to irritation from bites, skin lesions and scabs. Sores, scabs, or red inflamed areas are common, especially around ears, tail, or belly. Restlessness and decreased grazing. Animals may seem unsettled or spend more time scratching than grazing. Weight loss and reduced production. Persistent parasite infestations can lead to weight loss, decreased milk production, and slowed growth due to the stress and irritation caused. Anemia or pale gums. Ticks or lice can cause blood loss over time, leading to anemia, which presents as pale gums or eye membranes. Presence of visible parasites. Adult ticks can sometimes be seen on the skin, around the ears, neck, or belly area.
Control measures of ticks. Chemical control. Acaricides are chemicals used to kill ticks. They are applied to animals, vegetation, or animal houses to reduce tick populations. Always follow safety guidelines to avoid harm to animals and humans. Use tick collars and spot-on treatments for pets and livestock. Tick collars and spot-on treatments to provide protection by repelling or killing ticks. Systemic treatments such as injectables or oral treatments are available for livestock and pets, effectively reducing ticks through medication that spreads throughout the animal's body. Biological control. Use of predators and parasites. Introducing natural tick predators, like certain wasps or fungi, can reduce tick populations. Biocontrol agents such as nematodes and other microorganisms that are harmless to animals can be used to attack ticks in the soil or on vegetation. Environmental management. Habitat modification and reducing tick habitat by clearing tall grass, shrubs, and leaf litter, especially around animal enclosures, paths, and recreation areas, reduces tick exposure. Fencing to restrict livestock from tick-infested areas and separating livestock from wild animals reduces contact and the spread of ticks. Controlled burning in some areas. Periodic burning of fields can reduce tick populations in a controlled manner, although this method requires regulation and careful planning. Physical control. Regular inspection and removal. Daily checks for ticks on pets, livestock, and people can help in early removal. Use tweezers to remove ticks from the skin. Tick traps and sticky rollers. Applying sticky tapes or rollers to collect ticks from animal fur and trap them, effectively reducing the tick numbers.